Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the simple problem in elimination of arbitrary function. Let us see the problem. Eliminate the function f from z is equal to f of xy divided by z. So we are going to eliminate the function f from xy divided by z. So answer is, you have to take the given function is the function is z is equal to f of xy divided by z. Take this equation number 1. Now we have to differentiate, right, partially with respect to x. So differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to x. So therefore dou z by dou x, which is equal to f dash of xy divided by z, f dash of xy divided by z. So after that you have to differentiate xy divided by z. So let us see how to differentiate xy divided by z. That is u by v method. So you know very well, I think. I will tell you, d of u by v, which is equal to v square v du minus u dv. This is the formula. D of uv is equal to u by v is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. But here, what is u, what is v, you have to find. So u is xy, v is z. U is xy, v is z. But y is constant here. So that's why f dash of xy divided by s is z into y. So you have to differentiate only x by z. So x is u, v is z. So v is z. So z square. V is z. Z square. V du. V is z. Du is x is u. Du is 1 minus u x dv. Z is v. If you are differentiating z, dou z by dou x. Okay, so this is the differentiation. This is the differentiation. So therefore, in the next step you can write, which is equal to dou z by dou x is p, which is equal to f dash of xy divided by z into y. Okay, so y z minus y x dou z by dou x is p divided by z square. Divided by z square. So z minus px into y is also y z minus yxp divided by z square. So take this equation number 2. Take this equation number 2. Okay. So I have taken equation number 2. So next you have to write the differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to y. So if you are differentiating partially with respect to y, dou z by dou y, which is equal to f dash of xy divided by z. So with respect to, so you have differentiated the function f dash. So after, hide the function. So what is inside the function xy divided by z? So you have to differentiate this partially with respect to y. So x is no need to write. So remaining is y by z. So already, as we have done in partially with respect to x, you have to follow the same rule. U is y, v is z. So therefore z square z into du is 1 minus u is y dou z by dou y. Okay, so therefore q is equal to f dash of xy divided by z into, so x you have to multiply inside, xz minus xyq divided by z square. So take this equation number 3. So already we have taken 2, so this is equation number 3. So therefore now you have to eliminate f, the function f. So how to eliminate the function f? 2 divided by 3. So equation number 2 divided by 3 is p, left hand side is p divided by q, which is equal to, right hand side is f dash of xy divided by z into yz minus xyp divided by z square. This is equation number 2. Equation number 3 is f dash of xy divided by z xz minus xyq divided by z square. So you can cancel f dash xyz you can cancel. So if you are cross multiplying, z square will be cancelled. So p into xz, if you are cross multiplying, minus xyq, right, which is equal to q into yz minus xyp. If you are doing the cross multiplication, you will get in this way. So p into xyz, right, p into xyz, xz minus xyq, which is equal to q into yz minus xyp. If you multiply pxz minus xypq, which is equal to qyz minus xypq, right? So xypq cancel, because right hand side minus xypq, if it comes to left hand side it will become plus xypq. So therefore answer is pxz so pxz, which is equal to qyz. So z cancel. So if you cancel z, so you will get px is equal to qy. So px minus qy, which is equal to 0, which is required partial differential equation. So this is the answer.